Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see how to configure Gmail account in Windows 10. Okay, so let's start. So we'll go to this. Here we will type mail and this icon will appear. Here you can click on account, add account. After that simply provide your and select this first Google, then provide your ID. Password. If two-factor authentication is applicable, then allow from your phone. I'm doing this. So this is done. Provide your consent. What display name you want. Please remember this channel you have to subscribe also. Done. So this is the way to configure your email to Windows 10. Means Gmail ID to Windows 10. Thank you friend, and please like my video and subscribe my channel if you want these kind of videos. Thank you.